Fixing TikTok search if it's not working is fast and easy. Walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now let's head into TikTok and tap on the search icon at the top right. You should be able to search for whatever you want. For instance, I could search for surfing and watch a bunch of surfing videos. If that doesn't work, let's go back and tap on your profile at the bottom right, the three lines at the top right, and choose settings and privacy. Scroll down until you get to free up space, and you're going to clear the cache and clear the downloads. After you've done that, you're going to hop out of here, open up your settings, tap on general and iPhone storage. Find the TikTok app on here and just offload this app and reinstall it. What this will do is it will force update to the latest version of TikTok, and it will download a new one from the App Store or Google Play Store. After it does download a fresh new copy of it, open it up and search should be working normally and you're good to go.